Okay, Jamie, I'm going to try this really quickly. I think I have a system that will work. So we're going to go, the students will go here. They're going to type in Audacity. Here they're going to then record by pressing the record button. Testing, testing. We're going to stop. We're going to export this file as an MP3. And they want to save it to a desktop. And I'm going to call it test 2. Click OK. And so now it's saved as an audio file on the desktop. The next thing we're going to do is we want that. Now this is just testing. It's saving it, I believe, into a project under Audacity. So that's a different save. So it's saved in 2 locations. One is on the hard drive on the desktop. The other is in the actual Audacity on the computer, if that makes sense. So then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to want to upload it to your Google Drive. And so you just basically new file upload. You're going to find the desktop, my test 2. We're going to open it. And so now it's saving. So here's my test 2. Now we're going to open this. And it's working. And then we're going to click these triple dots, which I think is out of the screen view that you can't see, but it's more action. And we're going to click the share. And then we're going to get the shareable link. This is that URL. And I just copied the link. I just did Control-C, but I guess you can obviously do that copy link too. Then what we're going to do is we go to this QR code generator right here. This is my old code. I'm going to delete that. And so it's the website. Here, I click Control-V. I create the code. And now this code is my new code that will work. I tested it with my phone and it will work, but the student or whoever is using the QR code is going to have to use their K-12 Albemarle account to be able to do it.